morning everyone, welcome back to another video. I was just at the grocery store. I had to get a couple things, and on my way back I thought I'll take you guys on a quick tour to a small house we're renting. Our young adults, or the girls, I guess 20 and up, I would say, we want them to kind of start living on their own. So the organization rented a house, but it needs to be renovated still. So we just got word this morning that apparently it's ready for us, like we can go there now. They had to clean it out. I think it was abandoned for about a year or so, and it needs to be renovated. And I guess how things work here is that the tenant renovates. So yeah, I'm going there right now, and you can see I have to take this small road here. Yeah, this might actually be the cheapest house in the area, maybe in all of Philippines. We'll see. I'll show you around, and then after that I will let you know how much it costs. Okay, so I just arrived at the property, and this is what it looks like. The house was abandoned apparently. They didn't take out everything yet, but yeah, most of it is out. They're still working on it. They're doing some things, but everything else we have to do, we have to put in a new ceiling. As you can see, we have to paint, do some new flooring, probably tiles. The electrical is also not up to code. I don't think there is a code, but yeah, we'll need to do something. Probably hang some fans or something. Windows still look good. We need to install some doors, or maybe they have doors, I don't know. Maybe they will install them. And yeah, same thing here. And then it has 2 bathrooms. And this is it. We'll do something with the bathrooms, probably tiles, just to make it a little more comfortable. I think this one is also a shower. Yeah, see, it has a drain here. So yeah, lots of work. But this is just how it is here, hey? That's bedroom number 1. That's the kitchen. And then there's another bathroom. Same story. Shower. I guess they just use the tub away to shower. So yeah, that's what it is. Need to buy a fridge here. There's a boy following me. I don't want to show him because I'm not sure if that's okay for him to be on camera, but yeah. I guess this is it in a nutshell. Basically lots and lots of work. But yeah, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, living area, kitchen, open ceiling. Now we're gonna have to do something with that for sure. And this is outside. All this stuff was in there, so I guess they cleaned most of it out, but not all of it yet. So I guess we'll have to wait a couple more days to go in and renovate. Yeah, guys, that's what it is. See all this, like the door frame, it was all infested with termites. That's what they do. Like if you don't treat it before installing, then they'll get behind it and they'll just eat it all. Yeah. Guys, what do you think? Can we make something out of this or what? We'll keep you updated for sure. I think we can make it pretty. It'll take some time, but some time and some sweat, but we can make it work, eh? This window will stay for sure. Look, looks like prison, eh? That's the bathroom. That's the backyard. I'm not sure if they're gonna use it or not, or what. I have no idea. But the good thing is this location, it's very close to the village, like it's walking distance. And yeah, perfect. Behind those trucks, that's the main road. Okay, I guess you've seen it all. I'm not sure if we're gonna do something outside or not, if it's worth doing something. The girls were asking for a gate here, see, like here, here, just for security, I guess. But I'm not sure if that's in the budget to do a gate. Maybe if someone sees the video and and says, hey, I want to do something nice for the girls, I'm gonna send some money for a gate. Let's do it. Hit me up. All right, anyway, that's what it is. Yeah, I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like when it's done, and I'll probably show you the progress as well as we're renovating this thing. So stay tuned. See ya. Okay, I thought I'll show you how close it is to the village. So there's the house, and then you go down this road. Like it's probably a 2-minute walk. Yeah, so you go down this road. Here's the village. Yeah. So it's very short. The girls can still come here and yeah, do their thing. Yeah, perfect location for what it is, but lots of work. So yeah, we'll see you later.